Lag spikes in Apex Legends can significantly hinder your gaming experience. Follow these steps to improve your gameplay and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Be sure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Lower your graphics settings in Apex Legends to reduce the load on your system. Adjust settings like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details to find a balance between performance and visual quality. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and bandwidth, helping to minimize lag. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your graphics drivers and game software are up to date. Check for updates for your operating system and any gaming platforms you use, as these can improve performance and stability. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Consider changing your router settings, such as enabling Quality of Service (QoS) to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, you can try using a VPN to connect to a server closer to the game's servers, which may reduce lag. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with Apex Legends. Enjoy smoother gameplay and better performance.